proximity sensor, distance multiplier and test.
Hi guys, we are practical creators. On the basis of this channel, we are doing our dinner programming and electronics programming. Let's see what's today's topic.
Guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will be seeing how to make an automatic watering system to the plants using moisture sensor, relay module and Arduino Uno. So let's get started. So guys, the materials required for this project are: you need an Arduino Uno, or you can use any other Arduino boards, and next you need a one channel relay module as we are controlling a water pump, and you need a moisture sensor kit with its driver and some jumper wires, and you also need a DC pump which looks like this. So let's get started. And first we have to take the moisture sensor and we have to connect it to the driver using a female to female wire. So you'll be getting a female to female wire in this kit. So now I'm connecting the female to female wire between the driver and the moisture sensor. So guys, now connected the wires. So guys, next we have to take the male to female wire and we have to connect it to the VCC of the driver, and we have to connect the ground to the driver, and we have to connect the VO pin to the driver. So you get 3 pins. So now we have to give the VCC to the Arduino, ground to the Arduino, and we have to give the signal pin. So we have to go which is available on the Arduino, and we have to give the ground to the Arduino. You may use any of the 3 grounds available on the Arduino board, and you have to give the signal pin to the 8th pin of the Arduino, which is the digital pin located in the Arduino. So now you have to take the relay module and you have to give the power supply and the signal pins to the Arduino. Okay guys, now we will give the VCC of the relay module to the 5 volt which is located in the Arduino, and we have to give the ground from the relay module to the Arduino, and we have to also give the signal pin to the Arduino. In some relay modules you get 2 grounds, so we have to connect the 2 grounds to Arduino. You may use a breadboard to connect this. You can also use a mini breadboard to connect this. Okay guys, now I given the 2 pins in a single rail, and now I connected to the single ground of the Arduino. Okay guys, and I given the signal pin of the relay module to the 13th pin which is located near the ground of the Arduino. Okay guys, now you have to connect the one channel to the relay module. So I am connecting the negative of the motor, or you can use any terminals of the motor which I am giving to the common of the relay module, and you have to use normally closed pin of the relay module, and you have to give any terminal of the 9 volt power supply to it. So now we have to connect the wire using a screwdriver to the normally closed pin of the relay module. Okay guys, now I'm giving the wire to the normally closed pin of the relay module, and the rest 2 wires you have to connect it so it acts like a circuit, like a simple circuit. So now I'm connecting the left out wires from the power supply and the motor, that is the pump. Okay guys, now our connections are completed. So now this is the Arduino code, and now we have to upload it to the Arduino board. You may also get the program in the description box. and the circuit diagram also will be getting in the description box. So now let's test our circuit. In the real way, I am giving the connections 5 volt and 9 volt to a circuit, and you can see the circuit and the setup. So I connected the pump to a water supply, and now I'm taking the moisture sensor. So due to a situation like my soil becomes so soggy, I am just taking out and showing it to you. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.
Like this video? Then just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified as we upload videos like this. Thank you.